Hey everyone, it's Dr. Michael Suzanne Parsons, founder of the Natural Path Health Center, and we are talking about what foods are healthy. So in general, the more processed a food, the less nutritional value there is. So if you love potatoes, this is the best choice. This is a real potato. You can slice it, dice it, chop it, mush it, smush it, do whatever you want with it. This crinkle kind of potato chips, this is more processed. So if you had to choose which is healthier, choose the potato. This is more processed. But what about something like crispy tater tots? Which is more processed, this or this? It would be this, because this not only was sliced, it was squished together, which means something has to hold it together, so there's more processing, and then they had to cook it. So this is more processed than the chips, but this is the best. And then we have the infamous potato chips in a can. Those are so ultra processed. They are smushed, reconstituted, squished, pretended to be put in a shape that looks like a potato chip. So I would rather you do regular potato chips than the kind that comes in a can if you're wanting to make healthier choices. So the name of the game, the more processed it's been, the less nutritional value there is. It's not to say you can't eat a potato. Potatoes are fine. Cultures have lived on potatoes. But when it's turning into this kind of stuff, you're not getting the same nutritional value. So remember, food tells your cells how to run. Either they're going to tell your cells to run well, or they're going to tell your cells to run poorly, which leads to inflammation. So I want you to kind of do an evaluation of where you're at with processed foods and get back to the basics. This is less expensive than this anyway. Talk to you soon.